Yeah, it fell.
You suck!
No. Boo! No, you watch videos and everything you're saying. Yeah. Oh, shut up! The guy with the afro sucks. Just throw that out there. Who are you talking to? I don't have a face. Look at your afro. Look at your afro.
Face!
It's fake. The afro is fake. Yeah, it already fell off, really. No, stop. I can't even. That. Tyler, can you beat him for me? You do it, record it. Is it recording? Was it? Okay. Yo, Kyle, Sky, beat him up.
We know we're kind of matching.
You're what?
Suck your balls match, should we say?
Did he say, is this recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Maddie said, is this?
Devil's a pill match.
Okay.
God.
Bertha, pull that afro off. I hope you know this is recorded.
Yeah, we're still recording.
So lucky.
What's up, Keebs?
Okay. It's over.